As long as you love me. 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 We're under pressure. 7 million people trying to keep it together. Smile on your face, even though your heart is frowning. But hey now, hey girl, no, it's a cruel world. I can't say yes. As long as you love me, we could be starving, we could be homeless, we could be broke. As long as you love me, I'll be your platinum, I'll be your silver, I'll be your gold. As long as you love me. As long as you love me. I'll be a soldier, fighting every second of the day for your dreams, girl. I'll be a home. You can be my destiny's child, seeker. But don't cry. You don't need to fly. Just take my hand. As long as you love me, we could be starving, we could be homeless, we could be broke. As long as you love me, I'll be your platinum, I'll be your silver, I'll be your gold. As long as you love me. As long as you love me. We could be starving, we could be homeless, we could be broke. As long as you love me, I'll be your platinum, I'll be your silver, I'll be your gold. Love me, as long as you're worth it. Love me, as long as you love me.
Thanks, guys. We're Switch, and we do this little thing called a cappella. Recently, in recent years, it's become a bit bigger. A couple of people have seen movies like Pitch Perfect and know what it's all about. But yeah, that song was Justin Bieber. Let's call it a classic. Justin Bieber classic. Called As Long As You Love Me. We did our own take on that. So yeah, we're going to present a set of a cappella tunes for you tonight. Most of them we've either arranged ourselves or stolen liberally from other people. So I hope you have a good time. Microphone swap.
Don't talk about the microphone swaps, Luke. It's a trade secret.
You had me hooked again from the minute you sat down. The way you bite your lip got my head spinning around. After a drink or two, I was putty in your hands. I don't know if I have the strength to stand. Oh, troublemaker, yeah, that's your middle name. Oh, I
Oh, troublemaker, yeah, that's your middle name. Oh, I know you're no good, but you're stuck in my brain.
And I wanna know, why does it feel so good but hurt so bad? Whoa, my mind keeps saying run as fast as you can, fast as you can. I say I'm done, but then you pull me back. Whoa, I swear you're giving me a heart attack.
Troublemaker,
Maybe I'm
Insane,
cause I keep doing the
same damn thing,
thinking one day we
don't change.
But you know just how to work that back and make me forget
My name,
what the hell you do. I won't remember. I'll be gone
till November.
show up again next summer. Yeah, you do a little name rider. Bitch, you like a thug and I'm sick of the drama. You're a troublemaker. Damn girl, it's like a lot of trouble. And I can hear you.
Why does it feel so good but hurt so bad? Whoa, my mind keeps saying run as fast as you can, fast as you can. I say I'm done, but then you pull me back. Whoa, I swear you're giving me a heart attack.
troublemaker, troublemaker.
Why does it feel
What's so sad?
saying run as fast as you can? I say I'm done, but then you pull me back. Whoa, I swear you're giving me a heart attack.
Troublemaker.
Thank you, guys. That was a bit of Troublemaker by Ollie Murs, and I think that's probably one of our funnest arrangements, especially for me because I get to rap. It's just, I've never rapped before. I'm a white boy.
And how much does he sound like love song dedications when he speaks?
Maybe just a little. But. So I thought maybe we should introduce a couple of the band members. I'll start with myself. Hi, I'm Michael. I sing the bass, the low parts. And next to me right here is Lindsay. What's going on, Lindsay?
I sing the beats and the high parts, so just a bit of everything
At the same time?
at the same time. Yeah.
That's impressive. Okay, we'll get to the other three later.
Not important.
But let's get on with our next
Typical
song.
bass players. Stare at my reflection in the mirror. Why am I doing this to myself? Losing my mind on a tiny error. I nearly left the real me on the shelf. No, 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 no. Don't lose your love. It'll go the stars. Seeing is deceiving, dreaming is believing. It's okay not to be okay. Sometimes it's hard to follow your heart. She's told me you're losing, everybody's bruising. Just be true to who you are. Oh yeah. Brushing my hair, do I look perfect?
those egos, fake shows like gold. Just go and leave me alone.
Real talk, real life, good love, good night with a smile. That's my house. That's my home. Don't lose who you are in the blur of stars. Tears don't mean you're losing, everybody's bruising. Just be true to who you are.
Thanks again, guys. And we're going to continue with our little introductions before we get to the next song. What? Okay, next up is Mr. Luke Stevenson himself. Luke sings a bit of everything from percussion to baritone to tenor to soprano. Soprano's the really high female voice, for those of you that don't know. And that's what Luke sings.
Occasionally.
A lot. True. And next down in line is Morgan. Oh, come on. Thank you.
You can do that for me.
Morgan is, I don't know, I guess we call her alto. The two girls in the end, they swap all the time. They do whatever the hell they want, really. Pretty much. Okay, we're going to get to the next song and we'll introduce our last person afterwards. Hang on a second, I need to make water.
See the stone set in your eyes. See the thorn twist in your side. And I wait for you. Sleight of hand and twist of fate. On a bed of nails, he makes me wait. And I'm without you, without you, without you. Through the storm we reach the shore. You give it all, but I want more. And I'm waiting for you, with or without you, with or without you. Oh, I can live
nice, guys. You choose Immortal with or without you. Now, there's one last person in the band we haven't introduced, and she's our fabulous soprano, and she's standing on the end here. Olivia is our soprano. Woo! Come on, please. Thanks so much for having us tonight, guys. We've reached the last song in our set. This one's a bit more of a contemporary number. It's by a band called... They're called
Bastille.
Bastille, that's right. I listen to Triple J all the time.
Luke knows our set. Yeah.
I know what the song's called. Jeez. Yes, this is a song called Pompeii by Bastille. And hope you've enjoyed what we've done tonight. If you liked us, come and check us out on Facebook. We've got some videos on YouTube as well at Switch Voices. On Facebook, we're just //Switch. Thanks to the venue too for having us here. Revolver Upstairs, it's always great to be here. This is our second time. I've been here a couple times as well. And thanks so much to Melbourne Fresh for putting on this showcase. It's a fabulous event. You hear many other great acts after us and before us tonight. So round of applause for them because I think they do a fantastic job here. And last but not least, don't forget to support the venue and Melbourne Fresh by going up to the bar and getting yourself a drink or 7 through the night. Hope you enjoyed us. We've been Switch and this is Pompeii.
Or 7.
About this, how am I gonna be an optimist about this?